To Primetime Sports Sunday, a national youth record fell as Jamaica swept the sprint relay gold medals to close out the second day of the CARIFTA Track and Field Championships in style. The under-18 boys produced a national youth best 39.96 to storm to an impressive victory. Macaulay Everett, Tyreek Wilson, Xavier Nearin and Michael Stevens were the athletes who achieved the impressive feat. The under-18 girls were also impressive as the team of Brianna Williams, Kavona Davis, Brittany Anderson and Misha Harriott sped to a CARIFTA record 44.35 seconds to take gold. The rout continued through to the under-20s as the girls' team led by 100-meter silver medalist Anissa Brissett eased to 44.83 for the win. The boys under-20s with Christopher Taylor on the second leg closed the show with a 40.10 second performance. Delana Dunkley, Ashani Smith and 100-meter bronze medalist Jelani Walker were the other members of that